This is the screen of AI face recognition and AI gesture recognition with our new AiPi development board. This board is equipped with a deep neural network learning model development board, AiPi-BW21-CBV-Kit, equipped with a camera, Arduino, and TF card holder and other peripherals. With a powerful AI function, can explore unlimited possibilities. CBV is mainly for camera applications. The development board supports camera resolution of 1080 2K. Some cameras can support HDR and HDK, and even a special 1:1 resolution camera. We shipped with this one, 1920 by 1080 camera. The measured frame rate stabilized at 13 FPS. BW21-CBV module supports 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi, which can cover more application scenarios. The main frequency up to 500 MHz, external 128 MB of flash, and built-in 512 KB of RAM. There are also certain programmable IOs on this development board, which can be easily extended for projects that support Arduino environment development. If you do not understand the Arduino environment, don't worry. The tutorial will be posted on LinkedIn. It's worth mentioning that the board can also support other recognition methods such as item recognition and picture recognition according to the subsequent development. Currently, this development board is expected to be released in 2 weeks. Follow us for more information. This video is here. See you next time. Bye bye.